students, in today's lecture we'll see a problem based on curve fitting using straight line by the method of least square. A problem is fit a straight line to the following data. So here they have given year and production. So years they have given 1961, 1971, 1981, 1991 and 2001. And production they have given in terms of turns, that is 8, 10, 12, 10 and 16. Also find the expected production in the year 2006. See here what happens. So the given year and production, so year will consider as x value and production will consider as y. So year and production respectively be represented by the variables x and y. So we shall fit the straight line in the form what here y is equal to a plus bx here. Okay, so solution, what happens here, we will fix a straight line. So the straight line is, let the straight line the straight line in the form. So we'll take a form y is equal to a plus bx here. Okay, you can take any, but I will fix here y is equal to a plus bx. Since the value of x are in large, see here the value of x are in large in size and value of y is in small. So what we'll do here to make this simple, so we'll have to apply small formula. So I can say that better will say it is modify this x value choosing as a formula, let capital X is equal to small x, or better I will consider here, so let year is equal to x, we will consider small x, and production will consider as y. But here x is very large, so for this let capital X is equal to small x minus, so what is the middle value here, 1 2 3 4 5, so middle value is 1981, so small x minus 1981. We'll subtract it and we'll prepare a table for this. So what happens here, so with the help of this you can make it the value of x as what here in a smaller in size. Now, so for the equation number 1, we'll prepare a normal equation. The normal equation to 1. So apply summation on both sides. Summation of y is equal to n into a plus so here I will go for a small modification. So y is equal to a plus capital Bx will make it this one. Okay, because we are using this formula to reduce the value of x. So n into a plus b into summation of capital X, fine, and multiply capital X on both sides. Summation to capital X into y is equal to a into summation of capital X plus b into summation of capital X square. So we'll give equation number 2. Now we'll prepare the table for this. Now this is the table. So x value, so from the table, so you can see here, so x value is 1961, so 1961 subtract with what here, 1981. So we'll get how much here, minus 20. Then next value of small x is 1971 minus 1981. We subtract, we'll get minus 10. Then 1981 minus 1981 is 0. Next value of x is what here, 1991 minus 1981. It will be 10, and next value is 2001 minus 1981 will be again 20. So if you add these, minus 20 minus 10, 0, 10, 20, it answer will be 0. So y value from the table it is, that is production 8, 10, 12, 10 and 16. Fine. So capital X into small y, we need to capital minus 20 into 8, it will be minus 160. Then minus 10 into plus 10 will be minus 100. 0 into 12 is 0. 10 into 10 is 100. Then 20 into 16 will be 320. So you add these values. So we'll get this one as here 160. And we have to add the values of, we need to add the values of y also. So if you add the values of y, it will be 56. So next x square, so minus 20 square will be 400, minus 10 square will be 100, 0 square will be 0, 10 square is 100, 20 square is again 400. So if you add these, so we'll get 1000. So we got these values. So these values we need to apply in our equation number 2. Equation number 2 is summation y is equal to NA plus here n values. So count the data. So how many datas we have? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So n will be what here? If I want, I will write here n is equal to 6. So therefore our equation 2 becomes. So equation 2 becomes. So equation 2 I have taken here, summation y is equal to, summation of y is 56 is equal to n value is 6, that is 6a plus b into summation of capital X, which is 0. Okay. Then next summation of xy. So summation of xy is 160. So 0 into b I will write here as it is. So 160 equal to, next a into summation of x. Summation of x is again 0. That is, I can say that 0 into a plus b into summation of x square. So which is nothing but summation of x square is 1000. So 1000 into b. So on simplification, so what happens here, we'll see. So which implies 56 is equal to 6a, or a is equal to 56 divided by 6, which is nothing but 11.2 you get. And similarly 160 divided by 0 into a 0, 1000 b, or b is equal to 160 divided by 1000, which is nothing but 0.16. There is a small correction. The values of n, small n is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 5, not 6. I have to make correction. It is 5. So it will become 5a. So it will become 5a. So here answer will be, so answer is same only, 11.2. Will write 11.2. 2, and this is also 160 divided by, so this is no problem. Okay, so but we know that, so this is a value. I will rewrite a is 11.2 and b value will got 0.16. So now equation 1 becomes, that is y, our equation is what here, y is equal to a plus b into capital X, that is y is equal to a value is 11.2 plus b value is 0.16 into capital X. But as we know that y is equal to 11.2 plus 0.16, capital X is nothing but small x minus 1981. So we need to work out that. So y is equal to 11.2 plus, open the bracket, 0.16 into x is 0.16 into x, plus into minus is minus, 0.16 into 1981. So therefore y is equal to 11.2 plus 0.16x minus, so on multiplying 0.16 into 1981, it will become 316.96. So therefore y is equal to 11.2 minus 316 minus 96, it will become minus 305.76 plus 0.16x is the required line of fit, is the required line of fit. Fine. And they have asked we have to find the expected production in the year 2006. So to find the expected production in 2006, that is when small x is equal to 2006, we need to apply here, that is y is equal to minus 305.76 plus 0.16 into x value is 2006. So it will be y is equal to, on simplification, so it will become 15.2. It will become 15.2. So on calculation, so in the year 2006, the production will be in terms of ton is 15.2. So in this way, this kind of questions we need to simplify for the given by the method of least.